here in the late 60s. They're from Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Got a smokehouse, a cookhouse, and a 2-bedroom home with a dog trot down the middle. Over to your left is the Gilliland Bridge. It is called that because it was donated by former Mayor Gilliland and his family from Reed City, Alabama. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. 1 and 11 covered bridges still operational in the state of Alabama. And it was built in 1899. There are koi fish out in the pond. Over to your right, Batman Squeeze. You'll find a set of steps to take you down into the squeeze. And there's the viewing platform out behind the grist mill to your left. It's from Noccalula, Alabama. The trading post on your left and the loom house I first told you about are from Center, Alabama. They were sitting at the bottom of the proposed White Lake, and they pulled them up right before they backed the water up to preserve them. They were used to protect the settlers, and they were part of an old fort, I should say. And they were used to protect the settlers, the Cherokee, and the Creek Indians when they were at war with the Red Stick Warriors. And I'm afraid our falls are a little disappointing right now. We have no water. They're all natural falls, so we have no control over that. As soon as we get rain, we'll have a waterfall again. They're 90 feet from the top to the bottom. They were called Black Creek Falls by the Native Americans. And they used to lot them up on weekends. They would have bands and a dance floor and home dances behind the falls. Princess Noccalula's next. She was a Cherokee princess. And the legend tells us that when her father, the chief Pat Miller, would not allow her to marry the brave she wanted to marry, she rebelled and took her life by leaping over the falls. Please watch your arms and your hands and feet as we pass out the station. Our old train is to the right. It's a gas-burning train, and it is decommissioned and retired, so it is safe to come out, climb on, and take your pictures. The picnic area you see across the way is from the 1950s. It was one of the originals from the park when it was established. So it is one of the oldest things we have here at the park. This is part of our botanical gardens, and there's a sensory garden down the middle that allows you to test your 5 senses. I'm sure you've noticed all the Christmas decorations. Christmas at the Falls will start November 22nd this year, and tomorrow, November 1st, they will begin selling tickets. On the 22nd, we'll flip the switch on over 4 million lights throughout the park. It's called Christmas at the Falls, and we hope you'll come join us. If you will, please keep your hands and feet inside and remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop.